Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth and I am so excited to share with you this video wherein I am going to unbox this beautiful pair of Chanel black boots in shiny crumpled calfskin with diamond quilting, patent leather, and a detachable chain with gold hardware. So without further ado, let's get started. I am so excited to unwrap it. So I like that the main box is protected by a plastic, so even though it rains, it will not soak in wet. And the main box is wrapped around with tape also. Look, extra protection. Let's open this iconic black box to reveal the item inside. There is a dust bag, a card, and these are the beautiful pair of boots. Oh my god, these boots are so beautiful. I just cannot take my eyes off them. They're just so stunning. As you have seen, I have already removed the stuffing inside the boots. This is size 39. I went one size up because I was thinking for autumn and winter, I will be needing to wear some thicker socks, and maybe it's better that I do a size up. There is no 0.5 size or half size, so from size 38 euro, I went to size 39. I already tried it on off camera. It is a little too big for me because my perfect size is a 38, but it will be fixed when I put the socks on. At a glance, we can see that it is an exquisite Chanel boot with shiny black calfskin. It has a special design and a feature that you can see in here. There is a chain that has a lobster clasp right here. We can remove this one and put it back on very easily. It has a dangling double C logo right here in a beautiful shiny gold hardware, and the chain is interlooped with a black leather right there. So it goes up to the other side like this. The stitching is intricate and I really can see that it is a well-made, beautiful, luxurious boot. The toe is a patent black leather with the double C stitching over here. Beautiful Chanel logo. The heel counter is also a shiny patent leather. The vamp and the shaft are made of wrinkled calf skin. It is such a wonderful design. Wherein here it is just this beautiful and shiny wrinkled calf skin, while on the upper shaft right here we can see that it is with diamond stitching, which is such a classic design from Chanel. The rubber sole is quite thick and robust, and the size is about an inch, and the heel is about an inch and a half, or a little bit more than that, but less than 2 inches. I love that we can just easily put this on and off our feet because there's a zip part right here, and the zip part has a beautiful leather zipper puller right here with a gold hardware. And the zipper works so well, and we can easily just like slide it like so, or slide it up if we need to close it. There is no pull loop right here, so that means that this is more of a jump boot than a combat boot. There is a nice leather cuff intact right here on the top. The laces are not so thick, which gives it a more feminine look. The eyelets and the aglet are all in black. The tongue is also crinkled leather material, exactly the same as what we have right here and also on the shaft. Even the inside of the shoe is leather, and at the bottom right there, I don't know if you can see it, but it says made in Italy. And one of my most favorite part of this shoe, and the reason why I chose this one among all of the other beautiful shoes that they have on their websites, is the bottom. You can see that. Wow, that is just so stunning. We have this Chanel right here. Even the logo, made in Italy. Just a beautiful rubber sole. It is just so stunning. I'm gonna need all of these because when it's rainy, muddy, especially when it is slippery outside for autumn and winter, when it's snowy, I'm gonna need all of those to break the ice, and I hope that this really would be working out so well because this is such a wonderful, well-designed, and such beautifully created boots. And now, after a week of using this extraordinary Chanel black boots in shiny crumpled calf skin with diamond quilting, patent leather, and detachable chain with gold hardware, I could say that I could really do a review about these boots. I wore these to go to work, to run errands, and it had been in so many different temperatures, so many different weather conditions. Especially now it's autumn, so it could be sunny 1 minute and then it could be raining and muddy and wet and all that. So this have gone through really a test for a week. And what I can say is that it really can hold up to the weather, and if it get wet, I can easily just wipe it off. And it truly matches so many outfits because it's a beautiful classic black color and has a nice gold hardware. So in several occasions, I have the chain on, and some occasions, if I wanted to be a little bit more simple, then I remove the detachable chain. So it's like having two boots in one. As for the size, I do believe that it runs true to size. If you know that you are on a location wherein you have extreme weather that you will be needing to have thick socks, then you go one size up. But if you don't have the crazy cold autumn and winter, then you don't have to worry. You can just keep on continuing using your original size. If you're, for example, size 38 in Euro, just stick to the 38 in Euro. But if you know that you need something that is more of a cushion, if you feel like you wanted to put another layer of furry sole like that to keep you extra warm, and a layer of socks or thicker socks, or maybe you are like me who wears a thicker leggings and then a socks on top of that just to keep your feet warm, then you should really size up. I am extremely happy that I have chosen these stunning boots because it is a perfect match to a lot of my Chanel bags. It goes so well with my Chanel small classic flap bag. It's a perfect pair for my Chanel 25 small handbag. This is also a shiny crumpled calfskin with gold tone hardware. And it looks absolutely stunning paired with my Chanel Deauville tote bag. I also have individual reviews of those bags here on my YouTube channel if you wanted to check them out. I can definitely recommend these boots because they are made of high quality leather, and the rubber sole is just so fantastic, and I think that it truly works so well in extreme weather. I would like to extend my gratitude and say thank you to Nancy of TopRep, where I got this beautiful pair of boots and where you can get it also. All of the information will be linked on my description bar and also on the comment section. I will pin it down there. You can find all of their wonderful products on their website, www.toprep.shop, and you can use my code. Just put there Elizabeth and save $15 on your entire purchase. You can follow them on Instagram at top_rep66 and TikTok at toprep66. If you have any questions, then you can email them at toprep886@gmail.com. Or for faster reply, just send a message on their WhatsApp and it will be here on the screen. And there you have it, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on this video wherein I shared with you the unboxing, the key features, my thoughts, and some outfits that matches this beautiful boots. So you can go ahead and order yours also. Don't forget to check out all of my other videos. I have a lot of bags, shoes, jewelries, perfumes, beauty products, and so much more here on my YouTube channel. And follow me on my social media also. See you on my next video.